Hi, I'm Tasha. I'm one of the managers here in Parks and Recreation with the City of Plantation. And today we will be doing a balloon column. So welcome to another edition of Let's Get Crafted. So the supplies you will need today are balloons, of course, a pair of scissors. I have an electric ball pump, but if you have a hand pump, you're welcome to use that as well. And also any string. I prefer to use fishing wire because you can pull tension tight with the fishing wire. So if you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do, you can either purchase a balloon weight from Publix, Dollar Tree, Party City, or you can create your own. So what I've done is put water into water balloons, tie them together to create my balloon weight. And then I attached my fishing wire to it. Leave yourself a good little amount on the other end so you can make a knot when you create your length. And I left the spool on the other end. So what you're going to do, I've already inflated some balloons off camera already so we can get started. So what you're going to do, after you finish inflating all of your balloons, you're going to tie them together. So today I'm working with green and black, of course, the city colors. So once you've done that, you're going to create what we call a quad. So I have my black balloons and I have my green balloons, and we're going to intertwine them together. So you just twirl it around a couple of times to create your quad. So, once your first quad is created, you're going to attach it to your balloon weight, your base. Make sure you pull tightly. And of course, you can tie it at the end. So, once you pull tightly, this is what it should look like, your base. Now, you can start building your column. So I'm going to wrap my next set of quads. A topper. So today I'm going to use a Milo balloon. You can put helium in it or regular air, which I've just used regular air. I inflated it, of course, and I add a string to both sides, of course. Put it in the middle. And again, round. And pull, wrap and pull. I'm going to take the other side of the string. Do the same thing. Wrap and pull. And intertwine. And there you have it. Basic balloon column 101. Remember, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Bye.